Honourable Minister for Finance, Attorney General and Minister for Enterprise, we are here to provide our support to Honourable Prime Minister's National Disaster and Relief and Rehabilitation Initiative. The board is pleased to pledge a financial support of $10,000 towards this initiative. In addition to this, the board is also happy to support the needy school students who have been affected by Tropical Cyclone Winston by providing some school books and stationeries. So basically that's the initiative from the board of Unit Trust of Fiji Management Limited, and we're happy to present this check to your kind sir this afternoon.
Thank you. We of course would like to thank the Unit Trust of Fiji board for this very timely and kind contribution towards the Prime Minister's National Disaster and Rehabilitation Fund, in particular regarding Cyclone Winston. As many of you would know, the Unit Trust of Fiji is one of the major investment institutions in Fiji, of course, with an investor base of more than 16,000 ordinary Fijians. And we'd like to appreciate their kind contribution to this. We can assure you that this money will go to very good use, in particular assisting many of the disadvantaged Fijians who have been affected by Cyclone Winston, and of course it will go towards rebuilding our country. Just as we've won and managed to beat the Australians in Las Vegas, I'm sure that we'll be able to bounce back and be stronger than, as most people are saying now around Fiji, stronger than Winston. So thank you very much for your contribution.
This is a donation from my company, Mechanical Services Ltd and Refrigeration, for the Cyclone witness. And these are small donations, and love and blessings to the veterans, and we'll support more.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Managing Director for Mechanical Services Limited for providing this check of $25,000 towards the Prime Minister's Natural Disaster Relief and Rehabilitation Fund, in particular regarding Cyclone Winston. I would like to thank you, sir, for your contribution. This is, of course, most appreciated. This will go to, of course, good use to ensure that ordinary Fijians who have suffered from this cyclone will be able to assist them in a very targeted fashion. As you know, the government is carrying out a number of initiatives, and they'll be making various initiatives and making announcements of various initiatives in the next couple of weeks. As you know, only earlier today, the Honourable Prime Minister, in his capacity as Minister for Sugar, also announced the fact that farmers now, sugarcane farmers, will be paid an early cane payment.
That's great.
And they will receive at least $5 a ton for what they have produced. And this, of course, will be of timely assistance to them. So we'd like to thank you very much for your contribution, and thank you for being a very good Fijian corporate citizen.
My pleasure, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So we on behalf of our company, we'd like to make a small contribution towards Prime Minister's Relief Fund of $25,000.
Thank you very much.
So I would like to.
Thank you. Thank you. I would like to thank, of course, the General Manager of APCO Paints, Mr. Joseph Pulikotil, for this very kind contribution towards the Prime Minister's Natural Disaster Relief and Rehabilitation Fund, in particular towards Cyclone Winston. You can be rest assured that we obviously will put this sum of money to very good use. We've had a number of Fijians, both ordinary Fijians and, of course, companies that have come forward to contribute towards this rehabilitation fund. As you know, that we had a disastrous cyclone that, of course, will have a huge impact on ordinary Fijians' lives, and also in terms of the overall impact on the economy. But the success of our ability to bounce back from this cyclone will very much depend on a concerted effort by everybody within the economy. And we are sure that with the kind of generosity and the type of goodwill that's been shown, that we'll be able to bounce back very, very quickly. So thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir.
For a very kind contribution. Naka. Thanks. Thank you.
So this is my